Hi and welcome to our Port Migration YouTube channel. Let's talk about partner visas for Australia and partner visa evidence. This video is a recording of an article that is available on our blog and on LinkedIn, so be sure to check out the links in the description if you'd like to read the full articles there. If you're researching an Australian partner visa, we hope this video helps you better understand the process and what to expect. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more partner visa information and updates, and contact our team if you would like advice or assistance with your partner visa application. Evidence is essential when you are applying for a partner visa. If you're applying for an Australian partner visa, it's not enough to be in a genuine relationship. You have to prove it. And for many couples, this is where they really get stuck. The overwhelm kicks in, they start second guessing themselves. Do we have enough evidence? Are we missing something? Do we have too much? Someone said this, but someone else said something totally different. What do we do? Are we even doing this right? Collecting evidence can be so hard because your relationship is personal. It's not a government checklist. It's your life. And now you're being asked to take that deeply personal relationship and prove it to a faceless stranger at home affairs who you will probably and hopefully never meet. That can feel uncomfortable, confronting, and scary because it's your future plans as a couple at stake. When you're collecting evidence for your partner visa application, your job is to collect evidence that clearly shows your relationship is genuine, committed, and ongoing. That's the standard Home Affairs use when they assess your application. You're not just ticking boxes, you're telling your story. We focus on this critical part of the partner visa process in Season 1, Episode 3 of the Port Migration Partner Visa podcast. Whether you're applying for a subclass 820-801, subclass 309-100, or subclass 100 Australian partner visa, evidence is essential. When you apply for a partner visa, you're being asked to prove that your relationship is genuine, committed, and ongoing. At Port Migration, we help couples build strong, decision-ready applications by focusing on 4 key types of evidence. These 4 key types of evidence are sometimes called the 4 pillars of partner visa evidence. When you organise your evidence around these 4 pillars, you make the decision maker's job easier and give your application the best possible chance of success. Evidence is essential, but it doesn't need to be overwhelming. Here's what we mean. Financial evidence. This can include showing you support each other financially through joint bank accounts, shared expenses, or financial transfers. Household evidence. Showing you share day-to-day life. This can include joint leases, shared bills, and living arrangements. Social evidence. Showing your relationship is recognised by friends and family through things like photos, invitations, and declarations. Nature of your relationship. Showing the genuine nature of your married, de facto, or engaged relationship through things like messages, travel plans, and relationship statements. If you need more information, download the Ultimate Guide to Partner Visas and join the thousands of couples who have fast-tracked their research with our easy-to-follow guide. Relationship evidence isn't just nice to have, it's essential because it's actually required by the legislation. Without it, your partner visa can't be granted. Clear, consistent evidence gives your application the best chance of success. We talk about this in a lot more detail in the Port Migration Partner Visa podcast. In Episode 3, we walk through the 4 main types of partner visa evidence so you can prove your relationship clearly and move forward with confidence. Find the links to listen on all the major podcast platforms at our podcast hub. Here are some things to remember as you collect your partner visa evidence. Having a genuine relationship isn't enough. You need to prove it. Evidence must show your relationship is genuine, committed, and ongoing. Organise your application around the 4 pillars: financial, household, social, and commitment. Common mistakes include inconsistency, irrelevant documents, and gaps across evidence categories. Clear, well-organised evidence makes it easier for the decision maker to approve your visa. Strong evidence tells your story across multiple aspects of your life. You don't have to document everything, just the right things. If you're overwhelmed with the partner visa evidence requirements, you don't have to read any further. Click the link below to reach out to our experienced team. We're here to guide you through every step of the partner visa process. No guesswork, no relying on advice from family, friends, or strangers on the internet. Just personalised assistance from registered and experienced partner visa experts. You don't have to navigate the partner visa process alone. We explore partner visa evidence in lots more detail in Season 1, Episode 3 of the Port Migration Partner Visa podcast. The podcast series is available on all the major streaming platforms, and it's designed to walk you through the partner visa process from start to finish. We recommend starting with Episode 1. Please remember, the information in this video is for general guidance on matters of interest only. It's not intended to be comprehensive and does not constitute and must not be relied on as legal or immigration advice. The application and impact of Australian immigration laws can vary widely based on the specific facts involved. You must seek specific immigration advice tailored to your circumstances from a MARA-registered migration agent or migration lawyer. Thanks for listening, and until next time, all the best with your application.